All right, language explorers, let's look at this Saturday's phrasal verb. So dream up, dream up, dream up. So you're dreaming, having ideas and thoughts and images while sleeping. So dream up an idea. Dream up an idea. Can you dream up a plan? Yeah. So to come up with something, an idea, for example, I dreamt it up last night. Yeah. It came to me in a dream. Yeah. I dreamt it up last night. Yes, this idea. I dreamt up the idea last night. She dreamt up the solution last night. The answer, the solution. They will dream up a new plan. They will think up a new plan. I am always dreaming up new ideas. Another idea. Yeah. What are you going to dream up now? What are you going to dream up now? What ideas will you have? What ideas will you have? What are you going to dream up now? Yeah. So she dreamt up the perfect party. Aha. She had an idea for the perfect party. She dreamt it up. She dreamt it up after looking at different things. Different ideas and thoughts. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? I'm dreaming up an idea for another novel. I easily dream up ideas for novels. Yeah. I am always dreaming up ideas for videos and playlists. More ideas. Oh, ideas. Easy. How cool is that? Yeah, ideas. Dreaming up new ideas is easy. Easy. How cool is that? How cool is that? So, you'll need a new idea. So can you dream one up soon? Can you dream up an idea? Dream up a solution? Can you dream up a solution? Will he dream up more ideas? Yes. Yeah, idea machine. I'm an idea machine, yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So, dreaming up things to do is easy. Easy. Yeah. There is always something else to do or work on. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. So dream up. To think and have an idea, whether while asleep or in general, just dream up an idea. I dreamt it up last night. Dream up this other idea. What other ideas can you dream up? What other plans can you dream up? How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use dream up in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too when you search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.